Natasha here, and around my home today I am in my office. I'm super excited because I have the September Joyful Jordan box to share with you today. So I can't wait to show you all the goodies inside. Go grab something cozy to drink and stay tuned for this, and welcome to my office. Welcome back to my home. I'm so glad you're joining me today for another Joyful Jordan unboxing video. So as you know, this is an exclusive gift box that comes from Jordan Essentials once a month. Every month it's a different collection of products. It's usually items that are either in exclusive sizes, exclusive scents, they're vaulted fragrances sometimes they're new products that they're trying out. The box itself is $30, and if you're a subscriber to the box, then it gets free shipping. So if you want to join as a subscriber, then every month it'll just charge your card for that box for the $30 plus a little tax, but no shipping, and it just automatically ships out to you. And you can also control your subscription, so you can stop, you can start, you can pause, you can change who it goes to. If you have a friend or a family member you want to ship that specific box to, just let me know and I can help you get that shipping address changed. And these boxes are $30 a month, and there is at least $40 worth of product in each box. So this is a really good deal on products. It's a great way just to try out Jordan Essentials, see how our botanically based skincare feels and what it's like to use these products. There's some amazing items in here, and they really do have great benefits because they can help us with things like topical magnesium or anti-aging. There's all kinds of good ways that Jordan Essentials likes to make healthy ingredients work even better for us. So without further ado, there is your September Joyful Jordan box. So this is a lovely one. I did take a sneak peek, and I'm so glad I did because it's a really good collection. So we have, of course, all of the items in there, and just like before, the box is going to come with a card. So every box has a card that just tells you about what's in the box. It's going to have a little cute cover on the card. One side is kind of an inspirational message or a quote or a Bible verse. So this one says, "The falling leaves teach us the beauty of letting go and embracing new beginnings." Embrace new beginnings. The back of the card, there's your little sneak peek. So the back of the card is going to show you everything that's in the box and tell us a little bit about it. So you can kind of see everything there. Hopefully you can see that. And I'm going to walk you through these products. So first off, we have our new fragrance for the fall winter season, Rose Gold. And this is the Rose Gold Shea Butter. So this is a full-size regular product, just like we have in the catalog. This is a 4-ounce. And of course, the shea butter is that rich emollient lotion, and it's going to be that delicious rose gold fragrance. It's fresh, it's a little complex, it's a great kind of, if you just want to have that exclusive scent, like people say, what is that scent? It smells so good. This is a really good one. So I'm really enjoying rose gold for that reason. It's something a little different that we haven't had before. So it's a combination of rose, coconut, apple, and vanilla. None of those I would say are my favorite, but the combination is amazing. It's just very unique, very complex. I have been loving it. So you get a full 4-ounce tube of the shea butter in the rose gold, and the little description on here says, "Nourish dry, damaged skin. This rich lotion made with pure African shea butter and sunflower seed oil deeply hydrates and soothes for soft, healthy skin, all over body lotion." So this is a really good one. You could keep this in the bathroom and just have that unique, exclusive scent just for you, and then be moisturizing your skin as well. Next, let's do the Rose Gold Salt Scrub. So the Salt Scrub is something we do have in the catalog, but we don't have it in this cute little size. So look, this is a 2-ounce Rose Gold Salt Scrub. I'm trying to get it where there's not a glare and you can see it. So there we go. I don't know. It's a little tiny pot. So I love this because normally we have a bigger 4-ounce jar of our salt scrub, and it's a Dead Sea salt. So you're going to have the benefits of the Dead Sea while you're scrubbing and exfoliating, that great little scent. But if you've never used one of our salt scrubs, this would be a really good one just to try it out and see what you think. So the salt scrub, it says, reveal your natural glow. The silky, non-greasy scrub gently exfoliates, leaving your skin polished and radiant. wet skin and apply a small amount, gently scrub in a circular motion and rinse. So I love using our salt scrubs. They work great on my heels, my elbows, my knees, my hands, especially I keep one at the kitchen sink. So anytime that I am cutting onions or something kind of stinky, this is a great way just to scrub, get that exfoliated. My skin feels soft when I'm done. I put on a little shea butter and I feel all fresh and clean. And a little pro tip I have is if you use one of our salt scrubs to scrub your legs before you shave, then you get a really nice close shave. And salt scrub is also really good because it's invigorating. So if you're someone who needs to get a little stimulation and get the blood flowing, then a salt scrub is a great way to do that. You can just do it on your feet or your hands or your whole leg, whatever you want. But I love that this little 2-ounce jar comes in the box this month. This would also be a really fun little gift. And I also like to use our salt scrubs with our foaming hand soaps because the combination of the two just really helps to cleanse and scrub all at once. It's a really good combination. And as a little bonus, I believe this is coming in all the boxes. So I got a little scrubber mitt. So it has a little elastic band on the back and a little like loofah scrub on the front. So you could use that with your salt scrub and really just scrub away and have a good exfoliating salt scrub treatment, which would be awesome. And then the last product we have is one of my favorites. So this one comes around every once in a while in a Joyful Jordan box. And when it comes out, I'm always so excited because it's an exclusive blend of, and it's a little bit more concentrated. So that's what I like, is this is like a little, goes a long way, 1 or 2 sprays in my shower or even in the bathroom. And I'm like, whew, yeah, this is refreshing. I feel like I'm at the spa. So it says, spritz the shower spray on the shower walls or bathtub rim and let the eucalyptus, peppermint, and lemon essential oils turn your shower into a refreshing spa-like escape. So I think this would be really good. And the other way I was thinking this would be fun is if you have like a little, jute tassel or wooden beads or lava beads, you could just spray this on there if it's in your room or if it's in your car. Just like 1 spray would be enough, and it would really make a nice little room freshener and deodorizer, because those are some great essential oils for just really freshening the air and adding that essential oil blend. So that is everything that comes in the September, hopefully you can see that, the September Joyful Jordan box. It's a really good essential oil and fragrance blend with the rose gold and the shower spray. So thanks so much for joining me. I hope that was fun for you to get to see this look at the Joyful Jordan box for the month of September. I will have everything linked in the description box down below. So if you want to check it out and either just buy 1 box and don't subscribe, that's totally fine. You can use that. It's my special shopping link that I'll link down below. And I always appreciate when you check out my products and support my family in that way. I like to bring you the best that I love and enjoy around my home, the things that work for us and that I know are good, and hopefully it helps you too. So thanks again for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button down below, and I'll look forward to seeing you next time. Bye.